Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to integrate Shopify store and ClickUp. And first, you need both accounts on the Shopify and ClickUp. After doing so, you need to open a website named Zapier. In Zapier, you need to create your account. After creating an account, you have to go to the app connections in here. After going there, click on App Connections. In App Connections, you need to click on Add Connection. Add connection and type here Shopify. Click on Shopify and click on Add Connection. It will connect your account. For that, now you need to copy the URL of your store. Copy your URL from the store and then go click on Add Connections, where you can see the option to paste your URL. Click on that, paste it, click on Yes, continue to Shopify. After that, we are going to add another, which is ClickUp. After doing the same thing, right click up, you can see the option here. Click on ClickUp, click on Add Collection, and you will see your workspace which you have created here. You need to select tap on that, and then you have to select this option where you can see connect workspace. After clicking on it, it will connect to the ClickUp. As you can see, it has connected to the ClickUp. And one more thing, that you need Shopify Premium to connect your app to the ClickUp. By doing this, you can see your orders here and you can add them to the task with the help of ClickUp. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it does, then please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.